for? God.
Love. I love being your husband. I love you.
Well, I love being your wife. You wanna know how much I love you?
How much?
I'll share my water with you.
Pardon?
Yeah, here. No, it was just kidding. No, stop. No, I was just kidding. Stop. Michael. Michael. Michael.
May, it's just me. What are you doing down
There's
here?
someone down there.
At this hour?
Yes, I saw a woman coming up the stairs.
Are you sure you're not dreaming?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay. If there's no one, then you have to stop it and we have to go to bed.
Okay.
Look, there's no one down there. There's no one. Let's go. Come on. Let's go back to sleep. Jen, are you okay?
There's a ghost underneath the covers.
Jen, there's no ghost. You're having a bad dream.
It's not a bad dream. Michael, there is a ghost girl in this house. I've seen her twice now. I'm not crazy.
Oh my god. I know your Hmong culture religion believes in ghosts. But ghosts? There's no such thing as ghosts. Ghost isn't real.
May. better name is May.
There's an angry female ghost that's been following you around for a while now. She knows your husband. He must have done something to her in the past to make her this angry. You must find out from your husband before it's too late. Otherwise, between you and him, someone will die. That's why she's following you now.
Where's May?
Jin?
Who is this May person, Michael? Why is there a yearbook picture of her crossed out in this newspaper? Did you do something to her? Is that why she's haunting us?
Let me explain.
No!
Let me.
Did you kill her?
No, I didn't kill her.
Then tell me what's happening! What happened? And don't you dare lie to me!
May went to the same high school as me. She's someone we will call a smarty nerd. May does not have any friends. Everyone was always bullying her, so I felt bad for her. Because she's an A student, I decided to get to know her so she can help me out with my homework. Every day after school, we have to sneak out to do my homework. Whenever I see my friends, May and we will hide from them. I don't want them to know about us. I know that May was secretly in love with me. But for me, it was just a good feeling, just for fun.
Hey everyone, what's up? Class of 2005. This is a love letter from May to Michael. Do you guys want to know what's in there? Alright, here we go. Dear Michael, I appreciate the time that you and I had spent together. It means so much to me. I know that I'm not your ideal choice, but if you give me a chance, I know we can be happy together. Can I be your girlfriend? Can you be my boyfriend? Love with all my heart. Signed by May.
A couple weeks later, I saw in the newspaper that she was killed. I felt so bad, so I kept the newspaper. Then, one day, I started seeing her.
Hello.
Hey, hon, I'm at Mom's house right now, so I'll be home later, okay?
Her ghost started hunting me everywhere.
Michael. So this much had happened. When were you planning to tell me?
I didn't think May's ghost would do harm to you. I'm sorry, Jin.
And you sure you didn't do anything to her?
I swear to you, Jin.
Is there anyone that knew May well?
Her younger sister.
A shaman. He said one of us would die if we don't find out what May wants.
I'm sorry.
Thank you for being willing to talk to us. Can you tell us what happened to May?
It's been more than 10 years now. I knew that when my sister died, her soul will never rest in peace. May is a very reserved person. She doesn't have any close friends. She doesn't go out much. And she never attended any school activities. One day, she told me she was madly in love with a boy, and she wanted that boy to accept her. She believed that he would accept her, so she went to her first school dance to confront her feelings.
May, look at me and look at yourself.
Wow.
How do you even have the gut to like me? Me with you? Huh. You are an ugly nerd. I only use you to do my homework. Remember this to yourself. Me and you? Never. Go back to your place.
She never returned home. We tried calling her, and we tried to text her. But nothing, and there was no response. 2 days later, we went to the cops to file a report for a missing person. And her body was found dead 3 weeks later. The police told us she was raped and murdered.
Did they find out who did it?
All we knew was that she was raped and murdered. The cops never found out who did it. Why would those bastards do that to her?
I'm so sorry for your loss. We have to find out what May wants from you.
Yeah. Tomorrow, I'll call some of my old friends.
Okay.
Oh,
Michael, are you okay? Michael.
Jen? Jen! Are you okay? Jen? Jen? It's the middle of the night. What are you doing out here? Jen, let's go back to sleep. Ah! Oh. May, what do you want from me?
You should know what I want. If I don't get what I want when the sun rises, Jen will be gone forever.
May! If you hurt Jin, I'll never forgive you. Jin? May.
Kaya tin sai mong siya. Dili lila. Kato ra ching na no. Yo ka chi sa li ya no. Lo ko cho ko mu che yo. Ni dili lila. Cha mo ta min pe chi shi da ko. Lo ko cho ko mu che. Li hin lila. La u mua.
Here, put the door down. Close the door. Close the door.
Michael. Michael.
Oh yeah, it's not Michael. It's me, baby girl.
No.
Hey, don't be afraid of me. I'm not gonna hurt you.
No.
Yes, after this, you won't feel anything. Come on. Don't be scared. I'll make you feel real good. Real good. Ooh, yeah, look at you. So sexy. I'm gonna enjoy this. Hey, I'm gonna enjoy this really good. It will be okay. Come here. You won't feel anything. Trust me. Oh, bitch! You stop me! Oh, shit. Stupid bitch! You think this is a fucking game? You wanna die, bitch? Stupid bitch.
What the hell did you do? You promised me you were gonna kill her.
Stupid bitch. She stabbed me. All right, clean this up right here. We gotta go. We gotta move. Let's go.
May. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
I forgive you.
Oh, Jin. Jin. Jen.
Michael,
Jen.
I was so scared I was going to lose you.
Don't be afraid. I will always be with you.
May. What happened to May?
She's at peace. Love, I'm so happy to have you by my side.
Me too. Till death do us apart.
So happy to be your husband.
Me too.